Hello, Amanda Dunas here from the Positive Thinking Clinic, and I'd like to describe a success story that's happened recently. And I've titled it Closing Down Your Worry Factory. I'm an early childhood teacher, professional counsellor, strategic psychotherapist, clinical hypnotherapist, and master NLP. Whilst I have other skills in my toolkit, these are my main credentials. At the Positive Thinking Clinic, I help clients create the change that they want. I've created a series of success stories and I post them every so often just for educational reasons or just for those who are seeking help in a particular area, just to get an idea of what can be done or what modalities can be used, or just success stories in general. It will help any individual understand things that clients of any age can experience and achieve here at the Positive Thinking Clinic. Bit of background about this success story. This child was brought into the clinic to see me because she had a collection of worries which were unrealistic, and she had a number of habits that she had formed. The presenting problem: she was worried excessively about her parents dying, about illness, injury, break-ins at home, and a whole bunch of other worries which were very relevant to her life and to her family. So this is what we did in a nutshell. We did some light hypnotic guided imagery. We played facts versus opinion and looked for evidence. We became detectives. We used NLP techniques and created a bin for her anxious feelings. She created her worry factory. We used art and craft to do this, and then she closed it down with the worry still in her. The feedback and outcome: by the third session, she was showing great results, and we noticed a pattern. She was solving her issues, her worries, and her fears, and then her amazing mind would look for new things to worry about. Interesting. So we put an end to it by shutting down her worry factory. That's when we created the worry factory, third session. She was in charge of shutting it down and she did it so successfully and creatively. Now she felt that she did not need to unnecessarily look for new things to worry about. It's like when she would finish worrying about something or found that she was on top of something, it wasn't worrying her anymore, she would look for something new to worry about. It's like she had room for a new worry and go find one. So now she felt she didn't need the need to do that because her worry factory did not exist. She did this all by herself whilst listening to 3 mindful meditations. So we were enriching and feeding her mind at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed this snapshot of one of my many success stories at the Positive Thinking Clinic. My name is Amanda Dunas. I welcome you to get in contact with me if you have any questions, any concerns, or even if you're wanting any tips and ideas on how to help your kids to slow down or to eliminate certain worries that are just not relevant or necessary anymore. You can reach me on 0458 850 850, or you can email me on amanda@positivethinkingclinic.com.au, or even my website has a contact form where you can put your inquiry in on positivethinkingclinic.com.au. Thank you very much. I do conduct sessions for all ages, for individuals, for couples, families, small groups, and I also run online sessions as well as in clinic sessions. No matter what age, you can create change. You can live the life that you prefer to at the best of your ability. And it is our job to help and guide our children through challenging moments. And that's what they are, challenging moments. So we are here to equip them with whatever skills are necessary at any given time, just so that they can develop their own personal coping skills. Thank you.